Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be taking you through how we removed about 800 litres of solid polymer from a mixing vessel. So the customer sent us this job. It's been sat in the yard for about 6 months, didn't know what to do with it. They've already bought the replacement, but they're having problems with the replacement. So they've asked us, is there anything we can do to help remove this huge buildup? As you can see, the lads have already made a start on it. They've been cutting, sawing, pulling, pushing, and trying everything we can, because the next process that this vessel is going to be going into is our oven. So we'll put the vessel into our pyrolysis oven. That's going to reduce all this polymer to a fine ash, which is why we need to cut out as many pieces as we can, because that's just far too much material. It's going to set on fire and we might not be able to control that kind of burn. So we need just this thin layer. The bit that the actual vessel is covered in, that's perfect for our oven. And that's what we're aiming to get through. So the lads are going to be cutting, scraping, and doing their best to get rid of this lump out of the middle of here. After the burn off, there should be just ashy particulate all over the product, which then we'll jet wash off. Just a quick jet wash, go into all the little holes and apertures, all the areas, so we're left with a nice, clean, bare metal finish. Customers very happy. I've sent them some photos, and hopefully this never happens to them again. But should it happen to them, they know who to call now. Thank you very much for watching the video today. If you have any problems with any mixing vessels or polymers sticking in pipes or places it shouldn't be, give us a call. We'll be happy to run a trial for you, see what we can do. Thank you very much.